Hello kids. So today's topic is we have to derive Ohm's law. Okay, so what is Ohm's law? Okay, it's V equals to I R, where V stands for potential difference, I is current in amperes, and R is resistance of the conductor. Okay, so what is actually resistance? Okay, so suppose this is a conductor, okay, any metal. Okay, so there are electrons in it, right? Okay, there it's made up of atoms, there are electrons in it, and when the external electrons are flowing through it, okay, so these atoms and electrons cause obstacle, okay, obstacle for these ones. Okay, and because of this, its energy of these electron gets converted to heat energy and the wire gets heated up. Okay, so creation of heat energy is because of a phenomenon of resistance given by that conductor. Okay, so that is resistance. Okay, so let's start with Ohm's law. Okay, how to derive it? Suppose there is a conductor and we have applied a potential difference as a conductor, okay, having a resistance R, and we are applying a potential difference across it, okay, measured in V, and current is flowing through it, I. Okay, so what happens is when we increase the potential difference, the current increases. Okay, for example, if we have a torch and we are applying one cell in it, then the bulb glows, right? If we apply many cells, the bulb will glow brighter, right? Okay, so if potential difference increases, current increases, and this is what is Ohm's law. Okay, the current in the conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference applied. So if we are having here equals to, then we put some constant. What is K? K is constant of proportionality, right? So if that K is taken that side, it will be 1 upon K, right? K that side, so divide. And if we replace this 1 upon K with R, which is again a constant, okay, K is constant, so 1 upon K is constant, and we are taking that 1 upon K as R, which is equal to the resistance given by that conductor. So we get something, we get a new result. I R equals to V, right? That is V equals to I R, and this is what is called Ohm's law. V equals to I R, V, right? Okay, if V equals to I R, then we can also write it as, suppose V equals to I R, then what is resistance? Resistance is V upon I, right? Resistance is V upon I. Let's find out what is the SI unit of resistance. The SI unit of resistance is ohm. Okay, so V is potential difference upon current is measured in ampere. If someone asks you what do you mean by 1 ohm of resistance, so what we say is if 1 ampere of current flows in a conductor, if 1 volt is applied, okay, then the resistance in that conductor is 1 ohm. Okay, suppose this is a resistance. Okay, if 1 ampere of current is flowing to the resistor, when the potential difference applied is 1 volt, right, then the resistance is 1 ohm. Okay, so remember this, V equals to I. So our Ohm's law is V equals to IR, right, but it holds true when physical state of the conductor remains same. Physical state of conductor is same. What do you mean by physical state? Physical state means length, right, length, area of cross section, right, this one, area of cross section, temperature and material. Okay, when these things remain same, then only V equals to IR, then only current increases when potential difference increases. Okay, so when physical state of the conductor remains same, the current is directly proportional to the potential difference applied. Okay, so this is the Ohm's law. We'll meet you in next video. Do your best.